In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create collections on Shopify. We will start from the Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Products. This will open the product management area where you can organize the items in your store. From the expanded menu, click on Collections. This section is where you create and manage groups of products, which can help customers browse your store more easily by category, season, style, or any other structure that fits your business. Once you are on the Collections page, go to the top right corner and click Create Collection. This opens the collection setup screen where you can enter the basic details for your new collection. In the title field, type the name of your category or collection. Choose a title that is clear and easy to understand, since this name may also be visible to customers in your storefront. A simple and descriptive title usually works best. Next, look to the right sidebar and click Add Image if you want to upload a thumbnail graphic for the collection. This image can help represent the category visually and make your collection pages look more polished. Use an image that matches the theme or products in that collection so it feels consistent with the rest of your store. After that, move down to the Collection Type section. Here you will choose whether the collection is manual or automated. A manual collection lets you add products yourself one by one, which is useful when you want full control over exactly what appears. An automated collection is helpful if you want Shopify to include products based on rules you define. If you choose the automated option, set your conditions in this section. These conditions tell Shopify which products should be included in the collection. This can save time and keep your store organized, especially if you have a larger catalog and want products to be grouped automatically based on specific criteria. Once everything looks right, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Save. That will create your new collection and store your changes. After saving, your collection will be added to the Collections area where you can manage it later if needed. This is a simple but very useful way to improve store organization and make shopping easier for your customers. That covers everything you need to know.